purpose, vision, and mission are fundamental components that help define an organization's direction, goals, and underlying principles. They serve as guiding elements for decision-making, strategy development, and corporate culture. The purpose of an organization is its reason for existence, or the core values it aims to promote. It represents the fundamental beliefs and motivations that drive the organization and shape its identity. The purpose is often an expression of the organization's social or environmental impact, its contribution to society, or the difference it seeks to make in the world. Patagonia, an outdoor clothing and gear company, has a purpose to build the best product, cause no unnecessary harm, use business to inspire and implement solutions to the environmental crisis. The vision of an organization is a clear and inspiring picture of the desired future state that the organization aspires to achieve. It serves as a long-term goal that guides the organization's strategic planning and provides a sense of direction. A vision should be ambitious, motivating, and provide a sense of purpose for employees and stakeholders. Microsoft's vision is to empower every person and every organization on the planet to achieve more. The mission of an organization is a concise statement that describes its core purpose, objectives, and the strategies it will use to achieve its vision. It outlines the organization's fundamental approach to creating value for its customers, stakeholders, and the broader community. A mission statement typically focuses on the organization's present activities and what it does to work towards its vision. Tesla's mission is to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. In summary, the purpose of an organization reflects its underlying values and motivations, the vision outlines its desired future state, and the mission describes its current objectives and strategies to achieve the vision. These three components work together to provide a cohesive and comprehensive understanding of an organization's identity, direction, and aspirations. Strategy is the framework or plan that an organization develops and implements to achieve its purpose, vision, and mission. It outlines the specific actions, initiatives, and decisions that an organization will take to reach its objectives, create value for stakeholders, and maintain a competitive advantage in the market. Strategy is the bridge that connects the organization's purpose, vision, and mission to its daily operations, guiding resource allocation, prioritization, and decision-making. In the context of purpose, vision, and mission, strategy can be understood as purpose-driven, vision-driven, or mission-driven. A purpose-driven strategy focuses on aligning the organization's actions and decisions with its core values and principles. This strategy ensures that the organization stays true to its purpose, promoting a strong and consistent corporate culture, and fostering employee engagement and loyalty. A vision-driven strategy aims to bring the organization closer to its desired future state by setting clear, long-term goals and objectives. This strategy helps to create a roadmap for achieving the vision and provides direction and focus for the organization's efforts, ensuring that resources and activities are aligned with the organization's aspirations. A mission-driven strategy concentrates on executing the organization's core activities and delivering value to its customers and stakeholders. This strategy outlines the specific tactics, initiatives, and approaches that the organization will employ to fulfill its mission, maintain a competitive edge, and make progress towards its vision. In essence, strategy is the practical element that transforms an organization's purpose, vision, and mission into actionable steps and measurable outcomes. By developing and implementing effective strategies, organizations can work towards achieving their objectives, making progress towards their vision, and staying true to their purpose. An organization's strategy should be flexible and adaptable, responding to changes in the market and industry to maintain a competitive advantage and drive sustainable growth. Designing an organization's strategy is a multi-step process that involves various activities, such as setting goals, analyzing the internal and external environment, and developing action plans. The process can be broadly categorized into three main stages: strategy formulation, strategy implementation, and strategy evaluation. Strategy formulation is the process of developing the organization's strategic direction, goals, and objectives. This stage involves assessing the organization's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, SWOT analysis, and understanding its competitive landscape. During strategy formulation, organizations identify their core competencies, analyze the external environment, e.g., market trends, competition, regulation, and set long-term goals that align with their purpose, vision, and mission.
Key activities in strategy formulation include identifying strategic issues and opportunities,
setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART, objectives, developing strategic alternatives and selecting the most suitable options for the organization, creating a strategic plan that outlines the chosen strategy, goals, and action steps. Strategy implementation is the process of translating the strategic plan into action by executing the chosen strategy, allocating resources, and managing change. This stage involves organizing the organization's structure, processes, and culture to support the strategic objectives, ensuring that employees understand their roles and responsibilities in achieving the goals. Key activities in strategy implementation include communicating the strategy to employees and stakeholders, allocating resources, e.g., financial, human, technological, to support the strategic objectives, developing and executing action plans that outline the specific tasks, timelines, and responsibilities, monitoring progress and adjusting the implementation plan as needed. Strategy evaluation is the process of assessing the effectiveness and performance of the organization's strategy. This stage involves tracking progress towards the strategic objectives, analyzing the results, and making necessary adjustments to ensure the strategy remains relevant and effective. Strategy evaluation helps organizations identify areas for improvement, learn from their experiences, and adapt to changes in the external environment. Key activities in strategy evaluation include measuring the organization's performance against its strategic objectives using key performance indicators, KPIs, or other metrics, analyzing the results to identify successes, challenges, and areas for improvement, reviewing and adjusting the strategy based on the evaluation results and changing external factors, implementing corrective actions or making strategic adjustments as needed. In summary, designing an organization's strategy involves formulating a strategic plan, implementing the plan through action, and evaluating the strategy's effectiveness. These stages are interconnected and iterative, allowing organizations to learn, adapt, and improve their strategic approach continuously. A well-designed strategy helps organizations to achieve their goals, create value for stakeholders, and maintain a competitive advantage in the market.